This station is Grand Central. This is the train to New Haven, State Street. Stopping at Harlem, 125th Street. Fordham, Mount Vernon East. Pelham, New Rochelle. Larchmont, Mamaroneck, Harrison. Rye, Portchester, Greenwich, Coscob, Riverside, Old Greenwich, Stamford, Noroton Heights, Darien, Rowayton, South Norwalk, East Norwalk, Westport, Greens Farms, Southport, Fairfield, Fairfield Metro, Bridgeport, Stratford, Milford, West Haven, New Haven, New Haven, State Street. This station is Stamford. This is the train to New Canaan. Stopping at Glenbrook, Springdale, Talmadge Hill, New Canaan. The next station is Harlem, 125th Street. As you leave the train, please step over the gap between the train and the platform.